All right, it's Friday, and by the size of the smile on my face, you can probably guess that I just got a phone call that my shipment is going to be here in 30 minutes. And I have been waiting for months for this shipment. And this has been the most stressful shipment in all of my businesses that I've ever dealt with. In 12 years of doing this, this is the most stressful. So I am just very, very happy right now and excited to go get this shipment unloaded and finally have some wrapping paper so I can start selling. So I'm going to get ready and get out the door and go get this shipment unloaded, and hopefully you'll be seeing very shortly lots of boxes and pallets filled with wrapping paper, and I can spend the whole weekend taking pictures and getting things up on the site and getting these products ready to sell. All right, it's here. I've got a lot to go through, but that's okay. I'm not gonna complain. It's here. So I'm gonna start getting everything sorted a little bit, get a pile ready to go up to the shop so that I can get this stuff listed and start selling it.